Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create these trending AI images. So make sure you watch this video till the end so you can learn how these images are being created and the prompt I use to get this result. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the bell icon to get notification each time I drop new videos like this. So without wasting much time, this is what you do. Open your Chrome browser. You come over here, you type here in the search bar Bing. You can see the this is you type in Bing image creator. You can see the suggestion here. So you space image creator, then you click on search. Alright, so it has opened here. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't rush, don't quit this video to go and try it because you won't get it right. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you learn the prompt I use and how you can set up your account on this website to get the result. Okay, so let's continue. When you pop up this, you click on this first link here, then you click here. Alright, so this is the interface of the website here. So this is what you do in case you are trying this for the first time. In this place you are going to see join and create. In this place here you are going to see join and create if you are trying for the first time. So in this case now, what you do is just for you to create an account with them. It's just for you to create an account and you verify your account and you have this interface like this. So in this place now, this is you have coins here. This is where you have your coins here. So you are being given 15 coins every day to use to generate the trending AI images. So in this place now, you can see mine is remaining 12 coins here. I have 12 coins left here. This means that I have used 3 to generate some of the AI images. So this is what you do when you come over to here. So before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment if you want me to show you more of how to make money with AI, or just comment I want more. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you get the same result I am about to show you. So this is where you start the work. This is where you put in your prompt. So see, in case I want to generate an trending image of a boy sitting on a profile picture of Facebook. First, let's start with YouTube. So this is what I will do. This was the prompt I used here. So I'll put in the prompt here. This is where you put your prompt. So this is what you do. Make sure you read this prompt carefully so that you can use it in your own too. So this is the prompt. I will read it out now. So create a 3D illustration of an animated character sitting casually on top of social media logo. So in this place now, you can see here the social media here is YouTube. So it's going to generate an image of a boy sitting on a YouTube. You can see here. So you can see the characters that we give here. The character must wear modern clothing such as jeans, jacket, Nike white clothes, sneakers, shoes. The background of the image is a social media profile page with a username Rich Son. So I actually use my name here. So in your own case, when you put in this prompt here, this is what you do. You come over here, you edit this place, then you put whatever name that you want to put, then you put in the name here. So then you delete this place now, you put in your name. So let's try and let's create one and see what is going to bring here. So let's try this. I think we should try with Twitter. Yes, okay, let's go with Twitter first. Let's go with WhatsApp. Okay, So let's try with WhatsApp and see how it's going to look like. Okay, let's create. So you have to wait for some minutes for it to generate this AI images. So you can see it's loading here. You can see it's creating the AI image here. So you just have to wait. Alright, so it has generated this for us. You can see this is very beautiful. This is very beautiful, yeah. This is very beautiful. So this is what you do. This is how you download it. So you click on any one of it. So you allow it to load. Then you can see here. So you can see here. Then you come over here. Then you click on download. You can see you click on the three dots here, then you click on download. It's going to download into your phone. So you can swipe it to try another one. So you can see it here, you can see this ones here. This looks nice. So you still come over here, then you click on the three dots here, then you come over here, then you click on download. So you can see the image has downloaded into my phone. Okay, let me try out another one here. So here I'm going to try let's try with YouTube again and see how it goes. YouTube. Okay, so let's come over here. I think let's try. Okay, I think we are good to go with this. Let's click on create. So let's wait for it to come. Okay, so you can see here while we are waiting, let me show you something here. So you can see my coins has reduced here. So you can see I have 10 coins here. So now you can see here, you can see what this one, it looks cool, it looks nice. So make sure you read this prompt here so that you can know how to use it. So let me scroll it for you to see. You can see the prompt I use here. So you can copy this prompt out, then you try it in your home to have the same result. What you have to do is to change the name here. So I believe you have learned something new in this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free. Kindly like this video, or if you have other people that want to learn about this, make sure you share this video to them. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.